Hi, friends. Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hey everyone, I'm Tom and this is Lily, and we are your English learning friends. If you want the transcripts, vocabulary, and slow audio versions, check the join button below.
If this is your first time here, welcome to the family. You found the right place.
We are a family of English learners and we learn together every single day, so please hit that subscribe button. New videos every day right here.
Tom, we have a new member.
Really? Who is the lucky person investing in themselves today?
Moon Guang Min.
Congratulations, my friend. Welcome to the family.
And today's topic is very, very special to me. Tom, should I tell them?
Oh, please go ahead.
Today we are talking about never giving up. Motivation in English.
Yes, and we have amazing vocabulary, a real story, and a grammar point that will help you express your feelings in English.
So let's go.
But before we start, I have a question for you.
Ooh, what is it?
One time, Lily almost quit something very important. She was so close to stopping, but she didn't.
Oh, Tom.
Can you guess what it was? Watch the video, and at the end, I will tell you exactly what happened.
Ugh, fine. Keep watching, everyone.
Okay, Lily, let's talk. Have you ever wanted to give up?
Tom, are you serious? Yes, 100% yes.
Same. Tell me about a time.
Okay, so, you know I started learning how to cook, right?
Oh, no.
Stop it. So, I wanted to make a beautiful cake, chocolate cake, 3 layers.
That sounds amazing.
It was not amazing. The first time, the cake was flat, like a pancake.
A pancake cake.
I was so sad. I said, I quit. I am never cooking again.
Oh, Lily.
But my mom called me and she said, Lily, try one more time.
And did you?
I tried 5 more times, and on the 5th time,
Yes?
the cake was perfect. It was beautiful. I cried happy tears.
No way!
Yes way. And that is why I never give up now, because I remember that cake.
So the secret to motivation is chocolate cake?
Yes, write that down, everyone. Chocolate cake.
But seriously, that's a beautiful story, Lily. You kept trying, and that made all the difference.
It really did.
Okay, let's do a little grammar now. And today's grammar is very useful for motivation.
If you enjoyed this video, want to support the channel, you can send a super thanks.
Your support helps me keep making slow and easy English videos.
We are going to practice the phrase keep plus verb plus ing.
This structure means continue doing something. Don't stop.
For example, keep trying. It means continue to try. Don't stop trying.
Or keep going. Continue to go. Don't stop.
Can you use it in a sentence, Tom?
Of course. Keep practicing your English every day.
Perfect. Or keep smiling, even when it is hard.
Now, repeat after us. Ready?
Keep trying.
Keep trying.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Keep learning.
Keep learning.
Great job, everyone. You are doing amazing.
See, you are already using motivation in English.
Okay, now let's learn some powerful motivational words and phrases. These are words that strong, positive people use every day.
Word number 1, believe.
Believe. B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Believe.
Believe means to think something is true or to have confidence in something.
For example, I believe in you. This means I have confidence in you. I think you can do it.
Aw, that is such a warm phrase.
It really is. Okay, my story for Believe. So one time I had a very hard English exam. I was so scared, and Tom sent me a message.
I remember this.
He wrote, "I believe in you, Lily." And I cried a little. Happy tears.
You always cry happy tears.
I am a happy crier. Okay, repeat after us.
Believe.
Believe.
I believe in you.
I believe in you.
Great. Now, word number 2, courage.
Courage. C-O-U-R-A-G-E. Courage.
Courage means the ability to do something even when you are scared.
You can be afraid and have courage at the same time.
That is so important to understand.
Tom, tell your story about courage.
Okay, so my first video on this channel, I was so nervous.
Really?
My hands were shaking. I kept saying the wrong words. I wanted to stop.
Oh, I remember that day.
But I had courage. I pressed record and I just spoke.
And look at us now, 25,000 family members.
25,000 members. Oh, wow!
That is courage in action, everyone. Tom was scared, but he did it anyway. That is courage.
Repeat after us.
Repeat after us.
Courage.
Courage. Have courage.
Have courage.
Amazing. Word number 3, struggle.
Ooh, this is an important one.
Struggle. S-T-R-U-G-G-L-E. Struggle.
Struggle means a difficult situation or to try very hard to do something difficult.
Everyone has a struggle. Learning English is a struggle, but that is okay.
A struggle is not the end, it is the middle of the story.
Oh, I love that, Tom. The middle of the story.
Thank you. My story for struggle, so I was learning to drive, and it was terrible.
I remember this. You called me every day.
I did. I said, Lily, I cannot do this. It is too hard.
And I said,
You said, Tom, this is the middle of your story. Keep going.
and now he drives perfectly.
I really do. Okay, repeat.
Struggle.
Struggle.
The struggle is part of the journey.
The struggle is part of the journey. Word number 4, progress.
Progress. P-R-O-G-R-E-S-S. Progress.
Progress means moving forward, getting better, little by little.
Small progress is still progress.
If you learned one new English word today, that is progress.
My story. So last month, one of our subscribers wrote a comment in English, and they said, "This is my first comment ever in English."
Oh, that is beautiful.
That person made progress. One comment, one step. That is everything.
If you are watching this right now, you are making progress right now, in this moment.
Repeat after us.
Progress.
Progress.
Small progress is still progress.
Small progress is still progress. And our last word, word number 5, restart.
Ooh, this one surprises people.
Restart. R-E-S-T-A-R-T. Restart.
Restart means to start again, to begin one more time.
And restarting is not failing. Restarting is brave.
My story. So I tried to learn guitar 3 times.
3 times?
3 times. I stopped. I started again. I stopped again. I started again.
And now?
Now I can play 2 songs.
2 whole songs.
They are short songs, but they are songs. The point is, I restarted. I did not give up forever.
Restarting is not weakness. It is strength.
Repeat after us.
Restart.
Restart.
It is okay to restart.
It is okay to restart.
Okay, beautiful family, let's go over what we learned today.
First, our grammar. Keep plus verb plus ing. Keep trying. Keep going. Keep learning.
And our 5 motivational words.
Number 1, believe. Have confidence. I believe in you.
Number 2, courage. Do something even when you are scared.
Number 3, struggle. A hard time in the middle of your story.
Number 4, progress. Moving forward little by little.
And number 5, restart. Begin again. It is brave, not weak.
These words are for you. When English feels hard, when you want to stop.
Read these words, say them out loud, and keep going.
Now we have a question for our family in the comments.
Write this in the comments right now.
I will not give up because...
Finish the sentence. Tell us your reason. We read every single comment. We will reply to you.
And if you just want to say, I won't give up, that is enough. We love that too.
Yes, show us your courage in the comments. Okay, now, do you remember the question from the beginning?
Here we go.
I said Lily almost quit something very important. Can you guess what it was?
It was this channel.
Oh, tell them.
After our first 10 videos, we had very few subscribers. I was tired. I said to Tom, maybe we should stop.
And I said,
You said, Lily, this is the middle of our story. Keep going.
sound familiar?
Yes, his own advice. And now we have 25,000 family members, 25,000 people who learn English with us every day.
We almost didn't make it. And look where we are.
So please, whatever you are struggling with today, keep going. You are in the middle of your story.
Thank you so much for watching today, beautiful family.
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And subscribe if you haven't already. We upload a new English lesson every single day.
Share this video with one friend who needs a little motivation today.
We will see you in the next video.
Keep going, keep learning, and remember,
We believe in you.